Hi, it's Sarah Buckley. This is my week 10 musculoskeletal assessment video. This is my patient Alec. Alec, I'm Sarah. I'm just going to wash my hands. Do you consent to having this video done today?
Yes.
All right, Alec. First, I'm just going to start by palpating your temporomandible joint. So if you could open your mouth. And again. Good. Now with your jaw, push it out and put it back in and go from side to side. Great. Next, I want you to bring your chin to your chest. We're going to do the range of motion of your neck. And then up, look towards the ceiling, to the right, to the left. Awesome. And then I want you to just go back to the middle, and then go to the left with your head, and to the right. All right. If you could please take your t-shirt off for me, I'm going to inspect your shoulders and your scapula. You can sit down. All right. Any pain or tenderness?
Nope.
I don't see any deformities. You have no atrophy, and you have good normal posturing. All right. Now with your arms, I want you to bring this arm and bring it up like this, and then just in front of you, and then do the same with your other arm. All right, next we're going to do extension. I want you to raise your arm and then put it behind you. Okay. You can put it back down and then do it with the other one. All right, next we're going to do adduction. So with this arm, I want you to bring it across your body. Yep. And then with the other one. Good. Let's see. Abduction, I want you to raise your arm out to the side just like this way. Yep. And then the other one. Marvelous. We're going to do internal rotation. I want you to place your hand behind your back and act like you're trying to touch your shoulder blade. Yep. And then with the other one. External rotation, I want you to place your hand behind your neck as if you're going to brush any hair away. Like this. And then with the other one as well. All right. Next, we're going to do your elbows. So, with your elbow, do your hands, please. Like this, and then, yep, flex and extend. Flex and extend. We're going to do, yep, thank you. Supination. I want you to have both your arms out and palms up, and then down, and then up, and then down. Next, we're going to do some things to see if you have any rotator cuff injuries. We're going to do the near impingement. So I'm just going to push on your scapula, sit up straight. I'm going to... And then with the other one. I'm going to do another test. It's just this way. And now with this arm as well. This is the hawk and impingement side. We're going to do supraspinatus. I want you to put your arms out, thumbs down. And I'm just going to try to rotate your arms. Good. And then same thing, put your arms out with your thumbs up. Like this. And I'm going to push on your hands, don't let me.
Screen flat.
Okay. Forearm supination. Put your arms this way and try to bring them together. Nope. I'm sorry. Yeah, just like that. Thank you. And then we're going to do the drop arm sign. I just want you to slowly lift your arm up and let it fall. And then with the other one as well. Thank you. Next, we already did your elbows. Then we're going to do your wrists. So flexion, so palms up, point your fingers to the floor. Yep. And then to the ceiling. Adduction, put your palms down and bring your fingers to this way. Just your, yes, with your wrist, thank you. And then this way. Next, we're going to do your hands. So to do adduction and abduction of your fingers, just put them in and out, flex your fingers, extend them. And with your thumbs, to flex, just put them out, and then back in to extend, and then adduction, both of them this way, yep, and then out this way. Then opposition of your thumbs, I want you to take your thumbs and touch each one of your other fingers. Good. I'm going to do the Tennel sign. I'm just going to put your hand like this, and I'm going to tap right here. Let me know if you have any tingling or pain.
No. No.
And then the Fallon test, put your hands just like this at a 90-degree angle. Any pain or tingling in any of your fingers?
No.
Good. Okay. If you could stand up for me, I'm just going to take a look at your back. Turn around. I'm just going to look at all your spiny processes. And if you could just slowly walk this way towards me, I just want to, walk towards me. Just look at your gait and make sure you have good walking posture and rhythmic flow. You can turn around and look back. Awesome. All right, you can sit down. Actually, before you sit down, we're going to do the range of motion for your spine. So flex forward your spine. And extend back as far as you can. Okay. And then to the side, we'll just go this way. That way. Beautiful. We did your gait. Next, we're going to do your hips so you can lie down on the examination table with your head that way. Good. All right, for your hips, I want you to, let's see, bend your knee to your chest. Good. And then flex it out. Flex and extend. And I'm just going to bring your leg this way, a little toward the back to extend it as well. Then I want you to bring your leg, bend your knee, and then we're going to bring it towards the midline, rotation, and then external rotation. Good. And then we're going to do the same on the other leg. Flex the leg up, extend it, and then we're going to bring it towards back. And same thing, we're going to rotate it inward and then out. Let's see, we did all those. Your knees, I'm just going to feel for any fluid. Let's see, this would be better if you had shorts on, but that's okay. And then I'm just going to feel here. Any pain?
No.
Just doing the bulge, balloon, and battling tests. Next, we're going to do the range of motion for your knees. So just, if you could bend your knee, and then straighten your leg.
Sorry.
Bend the other one, and then straighten your leg. If you could sit on the edge of the bed for me. For your knees, I just want you to internally rotate. Yep, and then external. And the same thing with the other foot. Beautiful. Then we're going to do your feet. I know it's hard because your feet are on the ground, so if you could push back a little bit so your feet are not so touching. Yep. So point. See if you could see your feet. Point down. And then up to the ceiling. With the other foot as well.
Oh, beautiful. As you can see.
And then inward, point your, yep. And then outward, and then same thing with the other foot. Good. Okay. All right, so we did all those. Next, we're going, if I could have you lie back down again, I'm going to just test for any meniscus injuries. Okay. If you could lift your leg up. Yep, not so bent. A little bent. Okay, I'm going to push in this way with your leg, and then also away. Look for any MCL or LCL injury. And then the same on the other side. And I'm also going to do it on this way too. And on this one too, I'm going to do what I just did. If you could bend your knee for me and put your foot flat on the bed. I'm just going to do some draw test signs. Same with this one. Okay, and I think that's all our assessment. Thank you.
Thank you.